Since the MDA government came to power, we have been prioritizing development, and I am confident and proud to say that this government is living up to its promises on the delivery of developmental services. We have set for ourselves a very ambitious target of transforming Meghalaya into one of the top 10 Indian states in terms of per capita income and achievement of sustainable development goals within the next 10 years. Infrastructure development is foundational for sustainable growth. Lack of proper road connectivity prevents farmers from accessing markets, women from accessing healthcare, and hinders overall development. To solve this problem, my government has been working tirelessly to construct rural roads on a never-before-seen scale. In the last 2 years, we have completed the construction of about 1,000 kilometers of rural roads under the PMGSY program. Another 1,850 kilometers of roads will be completed in the next 2 years. Work on 2 key national highway projects is underway. 2-laning from Tura-Dalu Road of National Highway 51, covering a total of 54 kilometers, and improving of National Highway 40 between Shillong and Dauki, and construction of Dauki Bridge, covering a total length of 80 kilometers. We are also implementing large water supply schemes in Shillong, Tura, Nongstoin, and Bakmara. Recently, the Greater Sora Water Supply Scheme, constructed with an investment of Rs 24 crores, was inaugurated. Friends, the availability of quality and reliable power supply is crucial for all, including farmers, small businesses, and large industries. Unfortunately, the sector has faced persistent challenges on account of the financial liabilities that had accumulated over the last 10 years. These liabilities have been crippling the entire sector. My government had to take the bold step of availing a loan of Rs 1,345 crores under the Government of India's Atmanirbhar scheme. The construction of the 22.5 megawatt Ganol hydroelectric project is progressing well. In 2022, we will be able to generate power in Garo Hills and fulfill a long-held aspiration of the region. We are also making efforts to set up solar power projects to diversify the energy mix of the state. Several other critical infrastructure projects are getting implemented at a fast pace. We intend to complete these projects well before the Golden Jubilee celebration of our statehood in January next year. These include the new Assembly Building, the Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture, and the IT Park in New Shillong Township. Various schemes under the Shillong Smart City project, the Tribal Research Institute at Babadam, West Garo Hills, and the P.A. Sangma Football Stadium at Tura. Recently, we inaugurated the interstate bus terminus at Maulai Moyong.